Alright, here we go. I'll have you for breakfast. Nope. Love, 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 love. Wow, I've never seen so many birds in one place. Come on, you can do it. 1, 2. Angry bird. 1, 2, 3, go. No! Dang it! Ugh! This is suck. No. No! Yes. Awesome. Nice. Nice. Castle. Angry bird. 3, 2, 1. Oh no. I'm so far. That was so close. Hole in 1. Or 2. Yes. Nope. Bomb would be like, Red, are you having a stroke? Oh. Angry Birds. Mini goal. And Chuck's gonna be so mad. And so is Matilda. And so is Stella. And so is Hal, Bubbles, Jay, Jake, Jim. And Terrence. Stupid ad. Oh, dragon's breath. Whoa. Why? There we go. Yeah. Underground. Oh. Oh, man. There we go. There we go. One last level. Nope. Nope. No. No. 4. Ow. Watch where you're going, Red. Ugh. What is wrong with you, Red? Should have hanged out with the sneezing bird. Stella's gonna be so angry when she sees this. Red getting tortured. And so is Gail and Willow and Luca and Poppy. Awesome. Hold one. Oh, baby, a triple.